He's a Canadian singer and songwriter. He started his career on YouTube while endorsing brands such as Calvin Klein and Adidas, and he has an estimated net worth of around $200 million. He's Justin Bieber, and Vidello Productions is taking a look at 10 expensive things he owns. Number 10. Los Angeles Mansion. Costing around $10.8 million, this amazing mansion in a posh locality in Los Angeles was a gift to Justin by himself on his 18th birthday. The house is built over 3 stories and includes 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, an exclusively designed gourmet kitchen, private bar, private gym, private theatre, massage room and stunning infinity pool. The house has a breathtaking view of the nearby lake and has a floating dining room that opens out onto stunning views. The master bedroom is decked out in white paint with a wooden finish and glass walls, while the living room is decorated with rare and expensive pieces. It's thought the previous rentee, Ashton Kutcher, paid $50,000 a month to live in the home before Bieber. Number 9. Ducati 848 Evo Superbike. Justin Bieber purchased the Ducati 848 Evo on the advice of his then mentor Usher, before he even had a license to drive it. This high-powered motorcycle boasts a maximum speed of around 270 km an hour, and it's thought Bieber chose the colour white. The Evo has 1198R Brembo monoblock brake calipers, a non-adjustable steering damper, and tweaks to the engine to make it rev both harder and faster. The bike features an 849.4cc V-twin engine with new cylinder heads, revised ports, hot cams and new pistons, and it's thought Justin paid roughly $10,000 for his Ducati 848 Evo. Number 8. Family Guy necklace. Containing over 12 carats of rubies and diamonds, this amazing piece of jewellery was designed by Bieber himself and was created by famous Beverly Hills jeweller Jason Archibald. The necklace contains 12 carats of precious stones, including multicoloured rubies and white diamonds, all set in 14 karat gold. To bring the whole necklace together, it's understood Justin Bieber spent around $25,000. Number 7. Ferrari 430. Another car purchased around the time of his 16th birthday, the Ferrari 430 sports car was produced by the Italian automaker Ferrari from 2004 to 2009 and is the successor to the Ferrari 360. The car is metallic brown and features a 4.3 litre V8 petrol engine, 20-inch gloss black wheels on the front and 22-inch gloss black wheels on the back, with all tyres featuring the run flat capability. The 430 has a top speed in excess of 196 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 62 in just 3.9 seconds. The car is thought to have cost Bieber around $217,000 back when he bought it. Number 6. Lamborghini Gallardo. You would be right to think that Justin Bieber likes cars, and his Lamborghini Gallardo emits all the style and class of a professional. This car has a top speed of 202 miles per hour and is powered by a 5.2 litre V10 engine that can unleash 562 horsepower. The car was a gift from his friend P. Diddy on his 16th birthday, and the outside is constructed of thermoplastic with the traditional doors that open upwards. Number 5. New York apartment. Another home that was a gift to Justin on his 16th birthday was this amazing penthouse located in New York City, and he received this present from his grandmother and mother. Located in the heart of the city, it's spread over 2,400 square feet and features 3 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms, modern kitchen, built-in wet bar with large wine fridge, with the living room of the house overlooking the entire city. The apartment features a dedicated writing room, and it's thought to have cost somewhere in the region of $1.7 million. Number 4. Amsterdam Penthouse. Spread over 3 floors, this massive penthouse is Justin Bieber's latest purchase as he expands his base in Europe. The property lies in the heart of the Dutch capital, features a private lift, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, roof terrace with views over the city, and a huge living room with dining area. The property is located in the busy tourist area of Dam Square and has its own private elevator and is located next to property owned by the Dutch royal family. The penthouse is thought to have cost around £22 million. Number 3. Cadillac CTS V Coupe. It's considered to be one of America's badass coupes, and Justin Bieber went to great lengths to make this Cadillac unique. The singer added suicide doors, personal logos and crystal blue LED headlights while repainting the car from red to black, making it look like a Batmobile. Customised by West Coast Customs for their show on Velocity Cable Network, Bieber's Cadillac doors themselves will open by touching a special JB badge with a black crystal version on the dash. The car is powered by a V8 6-litre engine and has a top speed of 200 miles per hour and can produce 640 horsepower. It's thought to have cost Justin Bieber somewhere in the region of $90,000 to $100,000. Number 2. Ferrari 458 Italia. Yet another supercar in Justin Bieber's massive fleet of cars. He was spotted driving the white version of this car while out on a date. The car has a top speed of 214 miles per hour, can go from 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, and features a custom leather interior which features satellite navigation, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and cell phone connectivity. It's stated that the 458 brings together both refinement and aggression for those that drive it, and the car is thought to have set Justin back around $250,000. Number 1. Calabasas Mansion. This 1.2 acre hacienda style home has to be one of the most impressive properties ever purchased by the star. This estate once belonged to Eddie Murphy's ex-wife Nicole, and it's thought Justin Bieber paid roughly $6 million for the home. It features 6 bedrooms, 7 exotic bathrooms, large kitchen, detached casita, 6 fireplaces, elevator, large swimming pool, games room and even a private theatre. There are rumours that the internal staircases were designed specifically for Justin and they have a coating of gold on them. The mansion is surrounded by fabulous gardens and a large lawn with waterfall fountain. As a bonus for reaching the end of the video, we thought you may want to know about a few other expensive things Justin Bieber owns, including a Jacob & Co 9.69 carat diamond whistle, Fisker Karma hybrid car, Range Rover Evoque and a Porsche Turbo 997. He has also been seen wearing some spectacular clothing, including Make Believe, Nike, Radi Moonwalker sneakers and several Rolex watches, including a golden Day Date 2 and a couple of Rolex Presidentials. Thanks for watching our video on 10 expensive things owned by multi-millionaire Justin Bieber. Please throw a like on the video to support the ongoing series, comment down below if you think I missed anything, and subscribe for more top list videos coming in 2017.